whole idea behind the center is this is the Vrindavan's very first in-house medical care center for the animals. So any accidental cows, any dogs, monkeys, we have an ambulance, they've been brought in, we give them medical care, and we keep them here as long as they are fully recovered. And then once they recovered, we put them in the relative goshalas, or relative places. So just behind the walls over here, we have a bigger space where there's around 60 to 70 cows which are under treatment. We can maybe later go visit. But today especially, we are here for, so far we've been, wherever we've been, everyone has been saying that there are two ways of worshipping Krishna, especially in Braj. They are the primarily paddhatis of worshipping the Lord. One is the Bhog Seva, the other one is Rag Seva. Yeah? So Rag is traditionally coming down from time immemorial. But today what we are going to present here is we're going to take you through a small journey through when the Rag started in Braj and how it, in different Goswami families, in different Goswami temples, how it had different effects of different bhavas with different instruments. Traditionally, there were only very basic instruments when the rag actually started: harmonium, tabla, tabal, veena, sitar. But over the time we went by, there have been a lot of instruments that have been put into the category of classical. And that got added on later. So what we are doing here, trying to revive Braj culture, trying to revive the rag culture that we have in Braj, which is getting lost. And to make it interesting for youth, we have tried to infuse few new instruments which have been added on, like the violin here, later on. To start off with, all the artists over here, they are from their gharanas, mean traditional families. For lineages, they've been doing this seva. Like Prashant Pathak ji over here, this is his 7th to 8th generation, I believe. He's been practicing rag. Coming down lineage after lineage after lineage, just learning the form of rag, which is another form of tapa. Right? Normally nowadays, people who know how to sing a little, they start singing and become famous. But rag is something that you have to practice, even one swar for many, many years before you can perfect that. And there's a specific time you can sing, there's a specific note. So I remember when we were friends, my granddad used to teach me Bhagavatam and Sanskrit and all, and his granddad used to teach him rag. And 6 hours, 7 hours just sitting down practicing sa alone. And anywhere he went wrong, he had a little stick to keep him in check. So all the artists here are from very respected family and Braj culture, and been performing. They're going to take you through a journey in rag. Hope you all enjoy the evening. Thank you. Radha Radha.
Hare Krishna. So, Hare Krishna. So, today we have gathered for a very special and a very beautiful evening. Here at Love Braj Foundation, we all gonna immerse with the musical tradition of Braj. Actually, we talk about the ancient tradition of music in Braj. This is not merely a combination of melodies or rhythms. It is filled with the devotion. This is not performance centric. Here, if we talk about music in Braj, this is not just performance centric. We are not engaged with music just for the entertainment and appreciating the performances. While devotees who actually being referred to as the Braj Rasikjan in Braj Dham, they all had expressed their devotion with different emotions actually. And this is the base or like root of Braj music. Emotion of spirituality towards Lord Krishna. So they all had expressed their devotion with emotions actually, and that's what is the theme today. I mean, I will try to present all those ras. I mean, this is going to be ras centric. Ras means emotion of spirituality. So today you will present along with me very expert artist, and their lineage as Shri Maharaj Ji has already stated about them. They are a very famous and famous families actually they belong to, and they are also famous worldwidely, because if we talk about Srimad Bhagavat and any bhajan, any pad presentation, so they all are there throughout the nation, throughout the India. Shri Radhe Shyam Ji, Shri Mohan Shyam Ji, Shri Vishal Ji, and my name is Prashant Pathak. So we are gonna dive deep in all these ras emotions today, and here is a brief introduction about all these emotions. So first of all, I mean, commencing today's event, I just would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to all devotees and delegates present over here, and a very brief intro about all these emotions. It starts with Mangal Ras, Dasi Ras, Vasalya Ras, Sakhi Ras, emotion of separation, that is Virha Ras, and then at last the Shant Ras. So, poet sons in Braj, Braj Rasikjan, devotees, they came to wrote about Shri Krishna with their emotions, with their feeling. Somebody is having feeling of separation, being apart from Shri Krishna. That was the form of devotion, and some devotees came to feel, like having a very beauty of Shri Krishna. So that's what we have to present here, and without further delay, I just would like to start from invocation of Shri Krishna, which is the very first ras emotion. I mean, Mangal ras. So invocation of Shri Krishna, and I'm gonna present this in Rag Yaman. This is actually the time of Rag Yaman, and so we are going to start with the same Rag. And Rag does means a specific composition or combination of sur. Actually, as per the Indian music, 12 surs are there. Main 7, and then along 5 sur are there in supporting. So Rag presents a specific composition actually of different source. So we are starting with the invocation of Shri Krishna in Rag Yaman, and in 7 beats. If we talk about the rhythm, it would be in 7 beats, which is actually known as Rupak Tal. Hare Krishna. So then after we'll enter in all type of emotions. Hare Krishna. घनश्याम काम अनेक छवि लोकाभिराम मनोहरम किंजल कवसन किशोर मूर्ते भोरे गुण करुणाकरम. This is actually a very special pad, the verse, and wrote by Shri Tulsidas ji. If you have ever heard about Shri Tulsidas ji, actually he wrote about Shri Ram. At very rare occasions he came to wrote about Shri Krishna, and this pad is one of those special one. घनश्याम काम अनेक छवि लोकाभिराम मनोहरम किंजल की बसन किशोर मूर्ति भोरे गुण करुणाकरम. गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभे प्रिय गोप गो सुत वल्लभम. गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभे प्रिय गोप गो सुत वल्लभम. चरणारविंद महम भजे चरणारविंद महम भजे भजने यसुर मुनि दुर्लभम. गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभे. सिर के किताब बिलो लकुंडल अरुण बल रूह लो चनम. सिर के किताब बिलो लकुंडल अरुण बल रूह लो चनम. गुंजावतन विचित्र सब अंगधातु भव मोचनम. गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभे प्रिय गोप गो सुत वल्लभम. गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभे. कचकोटिल सुंदर तिलक भ्रूराका मयंक समाननम. कचकोटिल सुंदर तिलक भ्रूराका मयंक समाननम. अपहरण तुलसीदास त्रास विहार वृंदाकाननम. गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभे गोपाल गोकुल सुतवल्लभं गोपाल गोकुलवल्लभे गोपाल गोकुलवल्लभे गोपाल गोकुलवल्लभे। Hare Krishna. So this was like invocation and pranam to Shri Krishna. Now actually in Braj devotees consider a specific serial of presenting all this ras, all these emotions actually. So after Mangal Ras, where we offer pranam to Shri Krishna, there comes Dasya Ras, where devotees considers themselves as the servant of Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna is the Almighty and we are servant of him. So here is a again wrote by Shri Tulsidas ji, a very special verse. Tu dayalu din ho, daan ho bhikhari. And this is composed in Rag Bhairavi. We are going to change the melody now, as it is the expression again in front of Shri Krishna. Beats 6. Sagama pada pa da pada ma pa ga ma ga re re sa sa ni da ni za re ga re sa. This is Rag Bhairavi, and again this is appropriate for this timing. Za re ga re za re ga ma pa da pa da ma ga ma ga re e sa re ni za da ni re ga za re sa. तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दानी हो भिखारी, तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दानी हो भिखारी, तू दयालु दीन हो प्रसिद्ध पात के, हो प्रसिद्ध पात के, हो प्रसिद्ध पात के, तू पाप पुंज हारे, तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दानी हो भिखारी, तू दयालु दीन हो। तू अनाथ को अनाथ कौन मोसो नाथ तू अनाथ को अनाथ कौन मोसो मो समान आदत नहीं मो समान आदत नहीं मो समान आदत नहीं आर तिहार तो सो तो दयालु दीन हो तू दानी हो भिखारी तो दयालु दीन हो। ब्रह्म तू जीव में ब्रह्म तू जीव में तू ठाकुर में चेरो ब्रह्म तू जीव में। So as this emotion Dasiras, you know, Shri Krishna's Almighty, ब्रह्म तू जीव में तू ठाकुर मैं चेरो आई एम योर सर्वेंट। ब्रह्म तू जीव में तू ठाकुर में चेरो ब्रह्म तू जीव में तू ठाकुर में चेरो मात बेदू सखाता तुमात बंधु सखाता तुमात बंधु सखा सब विधि में तेरो तू दयालु दीन हो तू दयालु दीन हो तो दयालु दीन हो। Hare Krishna. So the meaning of this was like Dasiras, I mean we are all servants to Shri Krishna. So then there comes now a very special emotion I'm gonna present here now. Virharas, which was being considered by devotees as the pure feeling and emotion to gain the bhakti, the devotion of Shri Krishna. Virharas, emotion of separation. I mean the devotees feeling apart from Shri Krishna. And this is another form of devotion. So we are going to present this now. And it is composed in Rag Shivaranjani, which is being considered appropriate for showing emotion of separation. Rag Shivaranjani. Hare Krishna. This is too much melodious actually. I mean, having feeling of separation and then hearing towards the devotion. ऐसी प्रीत करी मनमोहन, ऐसी प्रीत करी मनमोहन, दे गयो ब्रज को चार, दे गयो ब्रज को चार, दे गयो ब्रज को चार, जोहत रह गई बात, जोहत रह गई बात. This is wrote by Shri Mirabai ji, very famous devotee. And here she is expressing her feeling like, I'm just waiting for Shri Krishna. Johat rehgi baat. Since long I am waiting for Shri Krishna, and waiting and waiting and waiting. This is the meaning of this particular verse being wrote by Shri Mirabai ji. कान्हा तोरी जोहत रह गई बात, जोहत रह गई बात, कान्हा तोरी जोहत रह गई बात, जोहत रह गई बात, कान्हा तोरी जोहत रह गई बात, जोहत रह गई बात, जोहत जोहत एक पग ठाड़े, जोहत जोहत एक पग ठाड़े, जोहत जोहत एक पग ठाड़े, कालिंदी के घाट, कालिंदी के घाट, कालिंदी के घाट, जोहत रह गई बात, कान्हा तोरी जोहत रह गई बात, जोहत रह गई बात. Here is the name of Shri Mirabai ji now. गिरधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर गिरधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर दे गयो ब्रज को ऊंचा दे गयो ब्रज को ऊंचा दे गयो ब्रज को ऊंचा जोहत रह गई कान्हा तोरी जोहत रह गई जोहत रह गई Could you come to observe in this particular Rag Shiv Ranjani? Shri Mohan Shyamji took us away for expressing more feeling of separation. If you could come to observe him, he took away, for this particular emotion of separation, feeling apart from Shri Krishna. So he tried to go for this long. ऐसी प्रीत करी मन मोहन ऐसी प्रीत करी मन मोहन के मन मोहन ऐसी प्रीत करी मन मोहन ऐसी प्रीत करी मन मोहन या कपटी की बात या कपटी की बात या कपटी की बात जोहत रह गई बात कान्हा तोरी जोहत रह गई बात जोहत रह गई बात जोहत रह गई बात जोहत रह गई बात। हरे कृष्ण। Now a very special Now a very special composition in a Rag Bihag, and this is the emotion, the ras of having feeling of love, and we are just embracing the encharming pair of Shri Radha Krishna, and this is wrought by Shri Hit Harivansh Mahaprabhu ji, who was the founder of Shri Radha Vallabh Sampradaya, So it is composed in Rag Bihag and 8 beats. We are just changing the melodies actually. I mean the rag. Every path is in different, and that's what devotee came to express their emotions and devotion in different rags. Sa ga ma pa ga ma ga sa ni pa ni za ga ga sa ga ma pa ga ma ga sa ba ma ba ga ma ga sa ga ma pa ni pa ga ma pa ga ma ga sa ni pa ni da ga ga sa ni da ga sa ni da ga ma ba ga ma ba da ma ba ga ma ba sa ba ma ba ga ma ga sa ni sa ga ga. This is the taste of Rag Bihag. शोभित आज रंगीले जोरे. What's the meaning of this? You are just embracing the captivating gaze of Shri Yugal Sarup, Shri Radha Krishna. शोभित आज रंगीले जोरे 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 शोभित आज रंगीले. सुंदर नवल रसिक मनमोहन सुंदर नवल रसिक मनमोहन सुंदर नवल सुंदर नवल रसिक मनमोहन सुंदर नवल रसिक मनमोहन अलबेली नबवैस किशोरी अलबेली नबवैस किशोरी शोभित आज रंगीले जोरे शोभित आज रंगीले जोरी शोभित आज रंगीले. बेसरी उभय हसन में डोलत, बेसरी उभय हसनी में डोलत, बेसरी उभय हसनी में डोलत, सोच भी लेत प्राण चित चोरे, सोच भी लेत प्राण चित चोरे, हित ध्रुव वंदे मीन ये किया, हित ध्रुव वंदे. The writer highlighted his name here, Shri Dhruv Das ji, who belongs to Shri Radha Vallabh Sampradaya. हित ध्रुव वंदे मीन ये किया, हित ध्रुव वंदे मीन ये किया, निरखत रूप प्रेम की डोरी, निरखत रूप प्रेम की डोरी, शोभित आज रंगीली जोरे, 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 शोभित आज रंगीली. Hare Krishna. So here Shri Dhruv Das ji came to express his feeling of Shringar Ras, just embracing the smile, the flute, the glorious, graceful complexion of Shri Krishna. Again we are going to change the melody in different rag. Hare Krishna, Shri Sunit ji. The rhythm of 14 beats being known as Deep Chandi Tal, and again it is a very lovely composition of Shri Dhruv Das ji. बाट निहारे घनश्याम. This is the composition of two emotions actually, Shringar Ras and Virha Ras. So this is very much captivating. बाट निहारे घनश्याम, नैना नीर भरे, आस करे दिन रैन, आस करे दिन रैन, नैना नीर भरे, बाट निहारे घनश्याम, नैना नैना नीर बरे आस करे दिन रे आस करे दिन रे नैना नीर बरे बाट निहारे घनश्याम नैना नीर भरे जोग ध्यान में चित नहीं लागे जोग ध्यान में चित नहीं लागे मन की पीर पल पल जागे मन की पीर पल पल जागे रैन जगे अबिराम रैन जगे अबिराम नैना नीर बरे बाट निहारे घनश्याम नैना नीर भरे के बिहारी कृष्ण कन्हाई बाके बिहारी कृष्ण कन्हाई काहे सखे सुध बुध बिसराए काहे सखे सुध बुध बिसराए कब आओगे मेरे धाम कब आओगे मेरे धाम नैना नीर भरे बाट निहारे घनश्याम नैना नीर भरे बाट निहारे घनश्याम नैना नीर भरे आस करे दिन रे आस करे दिन रे नैना नीर भरे बाट निहारे घन घनश्याम नैना नीर भरे नैना नीर भरे नैना नीर भरे हरे कृष्ण। अभी टेक्निकल ग्लिच। Same emotions, same ras, where devotees are expressing their devotion towards Shri Krishna, and they are just embracing again the beauty, the love for Shri Krishna. This is actually based on Rag Tilak Kamod. So again we are going to change the melody. Sare ga sare pa ma ga sa ne ne sa sa ni da ni pa ni sa re ga ga sa za re pa ma ga sa. एरी सखी मोरे शाम घर आए, भाग लगे इस आंगन को, भाग लगे इस आंगन को। एरी सखी मोरे शाम घर आए, एरी सखी मोरे शाम घर आए, भाग लगे इस आंगन को, भाग लगे इस आंगन को। अपने कान्हा की मैं बलि बलि जाऊं, अपने कान्हा की मैं बलि बलि जाऊं, मैं बलि बलि जाऊं, मैं बलि बलि जाऊं। चरण लगायो निर्धन को, चरण लगायो निर्धन को। एरी सखी मोरे शाम घर आए, शाम घर आए, मोरे कान्हा घर आए। मैं तो खड़ी थी आस लगाए, मैं तो खड़ी थी आस लगाए। मेहंदी कजरा मांग सजाए, मेहंदी कजरा मैं तो कड़ी थी आस लगाए, मेहंदी कजरा मांग सजाए, देखी सूरतिया अपने कान्हा की, देखी सूरतिया अपने कान्हा की, अपने कान्हा की, अपने कान्हा की। भूल गई मैं सुध बुध को, भूल गई मैं सुध बुध को, एरी सखी मोरे शाम घर आए, शाम घर आए, शाम घर आए, मोरे कान्हा घर आए। So very rapidly we are changing the verses and the rags.
Sorry, just very quickly. In 5 minutes, we got something special for you. I know you've been all deprived from the street food you've been looking up and down, going to the temples, probably very tempted to have them, probably wondering, I don't want to get Delhi belly. So we made some arrangements for you, which is street food, but it's okay for you to have. So in 5 minutes, we're going to start that. So this will carry on. Whoever is feeling little hungry, they can go carry on. You can bring it here as well. You can carry on having it. So there's no pressure as such. We have, if anyone's feeling tired, too tired, and want to go back, the rickshaws are also there. You can eat and you can go back as well. But we're gonna, if it's okay, is it okay with all of you? If you wanna carry this on, few more rugs. There's few more rugs left to complete this. Yeah. Okay. So we'll start prashad in like 5 minutes. So if you feel you want to quickly have something, come back and carry on. This will carry on at the same time. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Now I would like to request you all to join this Sankirtan here. Just for few lines, I'm gonna sing Sankirtan, Haribol Sankirtan, and I would request you all to join. And then after you will enter some different melodies. And as Maharaj ji already stated about, we're getting already late, so very quickly we're gonna present this all. Hare Krishna. जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल. A very famous Sankirtan. जय जय श्री राधा रमन, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन चोर. जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल. I request you all to join me here in this Sankirtan with clapping. This is also considered to be as a very rich service to Krishna. Clapping. जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल. It's your turn now. It should be audible to me. गोवा and वृंदावन.
जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा, जय जय राधा हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, 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 हरि बोल. You all please. हरि बोल, 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 जय जय राधा रमन 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 हरि बोल. नभ नागर नबल छैल रसिया, नभ नागर नबल छैल रसिया, प्यारो कान्हा है मेरो मन बसिया. नभ नागर नबल छैल रसिया, प्यारो कान्हा है मेरो मन बसिया. नभ नागर नबल छैल रसिया, प्यारो कान्हा है मेरो मन बसिया. नभ नागर नबल छैल रसिया, प्यारो कान्हा है मेरो मन बसिया. दोनों बस के दोनों रस के भरे हैं कपोल रे, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन 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 हरि बोल, हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, जय जय राधा रमन हरि बोल, 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 हरि बोल. राधे
हरे कृष्ण, हरि बोल। So this is just a request from Shri Maharaj Ji, Shri Gaurang Krishna Ji Maharaj Ji. जिस देश में जिस भेष में रहो, श्री राधा रमन राधा रमन राधा रमन कहो. A very beautiful composition. And Rag Bhairavi, I'm gonna sing this. Although devotees have sung this in many different emotions and different rags, different melodies, but here I'm gonna sing this in Rag Bhairavi. प्रेम सरोवर प्रीत को भरो रहे दिन रे, प्रेम सरोवर प्रीत को भरो रहे दिन रैन, श्री राधा रानी पग धरे कृष्ण धरे दोने, श्री राधा रानी पग धरे कृष्ण धरे दोने, कृष्ण धरे दोने। जिस देश में जिस भेष में परिवेश में रहो, राधा रमन राधा रमन राधा रमन कहो, राधा रमन राधा रमन राधा रमन कहो, राधा रमन कहो। जिस देश में जिस भेष में जिस देश में जिस भेष में परिवेश में रहो, राधा रमन राधा रमन राधा रमन कहो। जिस देश में जिस देश में परिवेश में रहो, राधा रमन राधा रमन राधा रमन कहो।
Shri Maharaj ji instructed me to just wait for them get back here. So could we wait just for a while? I mean, as he instructed to wait just for a while. I mean, when they will get back here, we can continue this. Hare Krishna. Shri Sunit ji Maharaj ji, Prabhu ji instructed me to continue, not to stop this. So okay. So I'm gonna change the melody actually, different things. Okay. Yes, the favorite one of Shri Surdas ji, Hari Darshan ki प्यासी अखियाँ. So I'm continuing with a very famous composition of Shri Surdas ji, Hari Darshan ki प्यासी अखियाँ. केसर तिलक मोतेन की माला, वृंदावन के वासी है. केसर तिलक मोतेन की माला, वृंदावन के वासी. नेह लगाए त्याग गए तृण सुम, नेह लगा त्याग गए तृण सम, डार गए गल फांसी, डार गए गल फांसी किया, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे. हरि दर्शन की प्यासी अखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे. हरि दर्शन की प्यासी अखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे. हरि दर्शन प्यासे अखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे. देखो चाहत कमल नयन को, देखो चाहत कमल नयन को, देखो चाहत कमल नयन को. निस दिन रहत उदासी, निस दिन रहत उदासी आँखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे. हरि दर्शन की प्यासे आँखियाँ, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे. सूरदास प्रभु तुमरे तरस बिन, सूरदास प्रभु तुमरे तरस बिन, ले हो करवट कासी, ले हो करवट कासी, आकिया हरि दर्शन की प्यासे, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे, अखिया हरि दर्शन की प्यासे। देखो चाहत कमल नयन को, देखो चाहत कमल नयन को, देखो चाहत कमल नयन को, निस दिन रहत उदासी, निस दिन रहत उदासी, आकिया हरि दर्शन की प्यासे, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे, आकिया हरि दर्शन की प्यासे, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे, हरि दर्शन की प्यासे।
हरे कृष्णा, वी गोनो कौन सा? हाँ, ठीक है। After the Radharaman bhajan, we have been asked to complete the bhajan. Then we're gonna put rest to the evening with Mahamantra. Unless I hear someone has more, unless there is something else that you would like us to, we can carry on for all night and night after that and day after that and carry on. Yeah, but yeah. So if there is an Bengali songs. We'll finish the Radharaman part.